Straight to that breaking news story now. 3 people convicted for the attempted murder of criminal lawyer William Booth. And Lindsay Dentlinger joins us with that latest news. Lindsay, tell us what you know at this time.
Sally, so our understanding is that one of the accused turned state witness and 3 others today entered into plea agreements with the state, meaning that they didn't give any testimony in court. They put their testimony out in writing and it was accepted by the prosecution, and they were subsequently sentenced. Sally, if you read the statement from the NPA this afternoon, it's quite comedic, if not so sad, that it was a foiled attempt on William Booth's life. We understand from the information that they provided to the court that they tried at least on 3 occasions to carry out this hit on William Booth. They've told the court that this was at the behest of a gang leader of the terrible West Siders, an imprisoned gang leader, I should add, who instructed them allegedly to carry out this hit on one of Cape Town's most prominent defence attorneys at his home in Devil's Peak, and just a host of errors as they went about their business. We find out on one occasion that they went on this mission only to be at the wrong address. Then they got so high on Mandrax that the hitman fell into a hole and had to be taken to Groote Schuur Hospital for the injuries he sustained. And then they went again a 3rd time to try to carry out this hit. They fired 5 shots. All of them thankfully missed William Booth, but they've now subsequently been sentenced, a range of sentences ranging from 5 years to 15 years for a range of charges ranging from conspiracy to commit murder to attempted murder.
So, Lindsay, motive, is that clearly explained? Is it simply because William Booth, as a prominent lawyer, may have been defending the wrong people in the eyes of the leader of the terrible West Siders?
Sally, I can't confirm who exactly he's been defending at that time, but we have seen he will not be the first attempted hit, an actual successful hit on prominent defence attorneys in Cape Town. We know that just a few years ago, Pete Mahalik, also a very prominent defence attorney, was also allegedly taken out by gangsters, but that case, as far as I'm aware, has still not been concluded. And so it's not unlikely that this hit was probably as a result of rival gangs wanting to take out the lawyers for different gangs. It doesn't say so specifically, but what it does say is that the NPA says that given that gang activities thrive in the Western Cape and what a social pandemic it is, the attempt on Mr. Booth's life was clearly premeditated and well planned, and that it was deliberately aimed at a prominent figure in the legal fraternity. And so that sentence for those 4 convicted have been welcomed by the NPA.
Oh, it's certainly good news to hear that they will be behind bars. Thank you very much for that, Lindsay.